Here are the new extremely robust and compact cordless combis in the Bosch Robust series. The GSB 14.4 and the GSB 18 VE-2-LI Professional. The powerful motors with 80 Nm in the 14.4 volt class and 85 Nm in the 18 volt class enable you to complete the toughest screw driving and drilling applications in wood and metal and in masonry with the impact drilling function that can be switched on and off. The compact design with a head length of only 228 mm makes the tools the shortest cordless combis in their class. These tools also impress with their flexible Dura shield housing. It enables them to remain fully functional even after falling from a height of 2 meters onto concrete. The unique electronic motor protection EMP protects the motor against overload, thus ensuring a long lifetime. Experience for yourself the extremely robust and compact cordless drill drivers with impact drilling function, the GSB 14.4 and the GSB 18 VE-2-LI Professional. Of course, in the practical L box.